Some marketers are caught in the conundrum of trying to decide whether to embark on a video advertising campaign, or wondering why they're already doing it. Put simply, if you're not using video as part of your marketing strategy, you'll be left behind. Here are 3 reasons why. 1. Your customers are watching more video. The statistics prove that your target audience is watching video, which is probably the only benefit you need to hear. 92% of B2B prospects consume online video. 4 billion videos are watched on YouTube every day. About 1/3 of shoppers will purchase a product after viewing a video ad. 2. Video ads convert sales. The biggest names in online marketplaces, including Amazon and eBay, report that adding a video ad to a product description increases the chances of a shopper buying that item by up to 35%. 3. People share video. Those who view a video ad and find it interesting or valuable will share it with their followers on social media. In fact, more than 700 videos are shared by Twitter users every minute. This phenomenon can increase your video's exposure exponentially. The 9 key advantages to video advertising posted by Steve Day.